I'd like to welcome Mr. D.A. Young.
Good evening. Hi there. Sean and I are doing a show here on Saturday, May 19th. It's going to be called D.A. Sings Frank and Tony. It's all songs associated with Frank Sinatra and Tony Bennett. And I think it'll be a good time. I hope people will come out for that. And we're going to do a couple of tunes along that line here. And by the way, Sean is doing a wonderful job this evening. You should be sure to notice the tip jar. All right. Yeah, great. Thank you. We haven't picked something ahead of time.
I could just surprise you and pick you something for you.
Yeah, you could.
How about All the Way? You want to just do All the Way first? Sure.
Oh boy. With all the pollen, I'm a little squeaky tonight, but let's see if I can get away with this. When somebody loves you, it's no good unless he loves you all the way. Happy to be near you when you need someone to cheer you all the way. Taller than the tallest trees, that's how it's got to feel. Deeper than the deep blue seas, that's how deep it goes if it's real. And when somebody needs you, it's no good unless he needs you all the way. Through the good or lean years and all the in-between years, come what may, who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool would say. But if you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you all the way. All the way. When somebody needs you, it's no good unless he needs you all the way. Through the good or lean years and for all the in-between years, come what may, who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool would say. But if you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you all the way. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Not that simple.
Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. Oh, but you're lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you just the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. You're lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight.
Sorry, I didn't mean to slip in on your performance.
With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Oh, but you're lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. Just the way you look tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sean.